Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I have something very exciting, something that I have starting to share a little bit more often, but I can't resist their sales. So I have a box from Jefree Star. This is sale items, summer sale items that they had. And so I'm anxious to get in and see what's here, and so let's get to it. Okay, friends, I'm gonna open it up here. They have all kinds of tissue in here and whatnot. Let's see. Okay. They pack it good so that your I just saw the eyeshadow palette. Let's see here, but I'm going to save that. I'm going to save that to last. Okay. Woo. Now, I have been hit or miss with their boxes, but this time I actually got to pick what I got. I only got one surprise item, which was the eyeshadow palette. They had all kinds of things on sale for $3. So everything I show you, aside from the eyeshadow palette, was only $3. So I got a lot of stuff, a lot of fun stuff. I do know kind of what's in here, but it's still fun to open it up and see exactly what we're looking at. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is this cute set of rulers. This was again $3 for 2 rulers, and I thought, I'm kind of fun, you know. I want fun rulers when I use a ruler. So there we go. There's our fun rulers. There's one pink and then there's one black. So that's my first item. This is my only non-makeup item, but there we go. And again, $3. Okay, the next thing I'm going to pull out, I got 3 of their single eyeshadow palettes. I kind of wanted to try them, and I got them in colors that I know I would like a single in. Okay, these eyeshadows were a little bit hard to open, so I went ahead and opened them all, but this is what the box looks like. And the first color I have here is Glamour Shot, and it's just a white, kind of a white, is it a matte? Let me see here. Yes, it's a matte, so there we go. There's that. The next one is called Mohawk, and it is kind of a mauve color. So there we go there. Try that on here. And then the last one I got is called Owl Eyes, and it's kind of a golden brown color. And I will put that on here. So that's really pretty. Doesn't show up on camera, I don't think, as well as it does. Maybe it's just because it just catches a shimmer here and there, but actually those are really pretty colors, all of them. I like them. I like the formula. So there's the Glamour Shot. Here's the Mohawk. And here is the Owl Eyes. So there we go. So they were $3 each. Kind of fun for me to try since I haven't tried them before. And so the next thing I'm going to get to, I'm going to pull out, this was only $3 too, and it's a mascara. Now, how often do you get a mascara for $3? This is their, I'm going to see what this says here. So let's see here. It says, this formula gives you drama. Give your lashes extreme volume and stunning length. It is in black, which pretty much is the only color I wear in mascara, but look how cute. Okay, so it's in this little box. This is a deal, okay, right? And then there we go. It's got the cute little fringe on the, he puts this fringe on all of his mascaras, and there we go. So that's kind of cute. Gonna take a look at the wand here. Okay, I'm having a hard time seeing it real good, but it's just a smaller little bristle brush. So there we go. So I will try that, but that's fun. Pink, everything's pink, boxed in pink, which I like. Okay, so the next 4 items here are going to be lip items, and of course, I can't resist. I can't resist to get my pinks and whatnot. So this first one is called Velvet Trap, and comes in this cute package, and this is the color. Okay, so it's just kind of a light pink. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here on this side. See it right here. Like it. I like it. So it looks like it's kind of a muted pink, a little bit lighter muted pink. Anyway, so that's the first item. Okay, so watch. Okay, I love it. That's just, I love the magnetic containers. But anyway, cute box, cute lipstick. The next one is also a Velvet Trap. Same thing, but darker color box, darker color. This, you think this is going to be a hot pink? We'll see. So once again, okay, actually this is, I think this is just like a darker mauve color. Okay, I like it. So that's definitely me. So that's the second one. And the third one is also in the dark pink. Maybe this one's gonna be wild. I know one of them I think is kind of wild. So we'll see if it's gotta be this one. So here we go. And there you go. There you got your hot pink. And I love it. Okay, all 3 of those colors are so me. I'm so excited, you guys. $3 each. This is so fun. So those 3 lipsticks I will get worn. I love it. Now I have what's called the gloss. And this is just a lip gloss. And I believe it's going to be in just a, I think it's just a clear. Oh my gosh. How cute. How cute is that? Look at that. Okay, packaging is everything. And I know whenever I open Jeffree Star stuff, I just freak out over the packaging. So it's just a gloss. I don't really want to get my pink color on here, so I can keep it clear, but yeah, it's just a gloss. So super cute packaging. That's my 4th lip product, and I'm down to a palette. Okay, so everything was $3, and then the palette is $24. So I spent $24 to get a mystery palette. I know most of their palettes are $50 and up, so you know, I knew I was getting a good deal. And the palette I got was the Bloodlust. Okay, let's take a look at it. Here we go. I am not a super purple fan. I don't wear a lot of purples. I keep wanting to try a purple look, but I just don't know if it's me. So cute though. Let's take a look at what we have inside. If I can get this open. I don't know how it opens exactly. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna take this. This is the palette right here. Okay, so I'm looking here and I'm seeing lots of pinks, which I like. So actually, I really like this palette. There's really, most of the purples are leaned towards the pink. There's the dark purple and there's a lavender, but other than that, they mostly look pink. So anyway, I'm excited about this palette actually. So I don't know if we want to try any. I might just try some of my pink colors. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and there's 4. Okay, those are all colors that I will use and wear. I don't know if this is the one that... So there you go. There's those. And anyway, so this was exciting. So there's the palette. Super cute. So I got the palette. I got the mascara. Yay. I got the 3 single eyeshadows. So I don't know if I can put this all in my hand. I'll try. And then I got the 4 lippies. Super cute. So all of this, let's see what that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. Did I miss anything? Oh, plus this. So really 10 items. So anyway, there we go. So that was fun. What do you think? Do you like Jefree Star? I think this was really fun. I'm not sure if these are still on sale. You can go check and see what's left maybe in the summer sale. I know that they have a summer mystery bag right now. It's $120. It was supposed to have like close to $300, I think, in value. And they had some new items in there. So I don't know. I have a hard time spending $120 on a mystery bag, just because a lot of times I'm disappointed. So I try to keep my mystery bag purchases for, you know, under $80 is about my limit on those. So anyway, there's that. But I love Jefree Star. I'm super happy with what I got here today. I mean, this was a really exciting box. So it was nice to know what I was purchasing too, because anyway, I knew that I was getting stuff that I wanted, that I picked out, other than the eyeshadow palette. But pretty much any of his eyeshadow palettes are great. So I'm happy. Now I have, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4 of his palettes just from doing mystery boxes and whatnot. And this is probably just in the last few months. So anyway, thank you, Jeffree. And let me know what you think about what I got here. I do appreciate your support. I appreciate my subscribers and the support you give me. I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and the like button, whatever. Do those things that support my channel and leave me a comment. So thank you again, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.